Hello and assalamu alaikum to all of you. Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to discuss about the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia scholarship program. As we know, Ministry of Education in Saudi Arabia providing fully funded and partially funded scholarships. So in this video we are going to discuss the complete application process, details and all other steps regarding this scholarship program. So let's move to the laptop screen and start the process step by step. So we are on the laptop screen now. I just opened the link and I will also add the link in the description of video, so you can easily click on link from the description of video. After that you can see here the option to apply to study now, but before that we will scroll down and see some more details about this scholarship. So these are some characteristics, and if we further scroll down, so you can see fully funded scholarships and partially funded scholarships and paid scholarships. So after that we will further scroll down, and here are some stats. So these are about the international graduates. These are stats, and further scroll down, here you can see some other stats about the academic years and degree, bachelor, masters and diplomas. So these are some further characteristics of this scholarship. And if we further scroll down, so you can check here the details about the universities. So you can open these and check further details about the universities. So we will scroll up and now click on apply to study now for starting the application. So after that this will open. So this is the application mechanism. So here are some points about the application mechanism. Create account, choose appropriate program, receipt of letter, education, visa application. So these are some general, you can say, instructions. So you can read these, and after reading these we will scroll down and click on this checkbox, and here we will select the external scholarship. After that we will click on save and continue. So this will open in a new window. So now we have to put our information, and we have to select this, and after that we have to fill these tables, and here you have to mention the reason why you want to study in KSA. So you can take help from the ChatGPT for this. After that you have to fill your details, and after filling the details in these, so you have to select now income, and after that you have to put the details of identifier like your brother or someone else, and after that you have to click on this. If you have not received the previous scholarship, then select no and click on. So after that we have to select our degree for which we are applying for this scholarship. So here are two options, diploma and bachelor, and I am selecting here the bachelor for the demo purpose. After that we have to add the educational details of our previous education. So click here, and you have to put your data like place of qualification, type of school like government or private, grade and graduation date, specialization and marks. So after putting all these details, click on this submit button to save this education. So after that we have to scroll down and put here the interest and hobbies as well as the volunteer work. So these are also important for the consideration of any scholarship. After that click on this save and continue, and after that here we have to select the language. So you have to select here the language details, and we have to put English as other language, and you have to select here the test if you have taken any test for English like TOEFL, IELTS, PT, etc. And if you have not given any test, so you can select unregistered or other. So I am just selecting here unregistered, and after that we have to put here the details, writing, reading, and communication and listening. So you have to put according to your level of English. So I have just selected here for the demo purpose, and after that selecting these, so we will move further and click on this submit, and you can select another language, like if your native language is Urdu, Hindi and Bengali or any other language, so you can select as that language as well. So after these we have to click on the save and continue button. So after that the window will open like that, and here we have to select the college or university preference for which we are applying. So we can give 3 preferences for our college or university, and I just given this university as a demo purpose. So here you can select any other university. So when you click on this add university, the window will open like that, and here you can select the university from the list. So these are universities in the given list, so you can select university, and when you click on the university, so the colleges or faculty details for that university will open like that, and you can simply select according to your relevant. And after that you can click on this checkbox. After reading that, if you can pay scholarship amount or partially funded scholarship, so you can select this. And if you are applying for the fully funded, so you have to not fill this blank. After that I just selected 2 universities, so you can give 3 preferences at least. And after that, after putting all these details, so we will scroll down and fill these. So after that, so this is the some preferences, so I have selected yes. So after that you have to upload the required documents. So this is the list of documents: birth certificate in Arabic language, and police character certificate. After that father's ID, and then the grade statement for Arabic language, it means the transcript or mark sheet in Arabic language, and then the high school certificate, it means the degree, and also in Arabic. After that medical report in Arabic as well, and then mother's ID and passport and score detection, it means mark sheet or result card. So these are some compulsory documents, and then the optional documents which contains character certificate and character certificate in Arabic language as well, identity picture or ID card, and then other documents, supporting documents if you want to add, and then the recommendation letter, and after that sponsorship certificate. So these are some optional documents, either you want to add or not, but the compulsory documents are you must have to add. So after that this is the process how you can add. Click on this attached document, and then click on this select file. After that you have to select the file from your computer, and but remember one thing, you can add a file format like JPG, PNG and PDF, and the file size should be less than 2 MB. So this is the process how you can add a file or upload document. So for the randomly I just selected one file here. so you can understand the process. So after selecting that, you can edit the file name of that document, and after that you have to click on this category and select the corresponding document for which you have uploaded. After that, you have to click on this attach to upload that document. So this was the process how you can add the upload the required documents. And one other important thing is how you can get the translation of your documents. So you can contact any professional translator. So after that, you can review your application, and after checking your all details, so you have to click on this submit button to submit your application. So click on this submit button and just wait a second, it will submit in a while. So now we will scroll up, so we can check our application have been submitted successfully. So you can see here. So this was all about the application process of this scholarship, and I hope now the application process is all clear to all of you. But if you still have any problem, any issue, or any question throughout the application process, you can ask in the comment section and I will reply to all of you. And I hope you will also share this video with others as well, so they can also take benefit from this informative video. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.